All right, many of you that have been following our channel, our vanagon engine had an issue, so we need a new engine. One of the things we looked at was electric, but converting it on my own is too challenging, and there were a couple of shops that did that stuff, but they had huge waiting lists. So one of the other options that I'm going to look at in the future, because it's not going to be ready for a couple of years apparently, is this guy, the Cybertruck. And one thing I'm really curious about is they did show a camping portion on their website. There it is right there. So for camping, and it would be interesting to see how stealth, you'd be truly like a stealth fighter camping. I don't know, it's kind of interesting. So now what we're going to do is we're going to order now. And looking at the three options, between a 250 mile range, which is the default, and to me it's not so much about the speed that I care about, but it's the mileage. So if we are going to take this thing up in the snow or out camping deep, we'll want to go much further. The next step up is 49,000 and change, but that one just gives you 50 more miles. It does increase your 0 to 60, but again, that's not a huge item that I'm looking at. The 69,000, that is expensive, but it gives you a 500 mile range. Just happens to be the fastest. So what I wanted to do and show others is what does it look like when you buy now, and how the site, is there anything beyond your name and reserving the $100 payment, which is due today, and then placing the order. So I'm going to take a look, and once I fill this out, I'll jump to the next screen, and we'll see what's after this, and if I get any email confirmation, which I'm sure I will, but I'm hoping there's something further beyond it. Okay, so I've keyed in everything. We're going to go ahead and place the order. Order's complete, and then now we can explore the truck. Takes you right back to square one. So obviously I wasn't expecting too much, and that's pretty much it. So now let's see if we get an email. I'm assuming we'll get an email. All right, this is the email that I received. Ended up getting it, and it's confirming the order. It's the tri-motor, and so they do give you a little bit more information there. And then there is an attachment here as well, which is the pre-order agreement. And I am definitely going to spend the next few hours reading through this. Curious if anybody else has that issue. But to mine, the last two pages are not rendering, but there is an agreement here, which are obviously the terms and conditions. They say that you can cancel at any time, and this thing's 2 years away. So we'll be curious to see what other emails and information and when they reach out to me. So just thought that would be interesting, so you could see what the actual purchase looks like, at least the pre-order. And there you go. So continue to follow this and subscribe. Appreciate it. Y'all take care.